Hey, this is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking.
Do you want low miles? I'll give you low miles.
What we're looking at today is a 2013 Chevy 3500 with only 40,000 miles on the 6.0 liter V8 Vortec gas engine. This is a one-owner, fleet-maintained truck. We get a lot of them from this company. It's coming from one of the largest building material suppliers in the state. And of course, when we got it here, we have done a thorough service and inspection to make sure it's ready to go hit the road for you. The 15-foot long Morgan cargo box we're looking at has aluminum panels. It's plywood lined on the interior. It's equipped with D-rings and lighting. And we also have a Maxon 1,600-pound rail lift gate with a 91-inch wide by 36-inch deep platform. Now, as you'll see in a minute, this truck has nearly new tires. They basically look brand new. And here is the 6.0 liter V8 Vortec gas engine that's freshly serviced and inspected. And moving on to the interior, there's not a lot to talk about in these commercial vehicles, but rest assured everything functions exactly the way it should. The air's cold, seats are in great condition, there's no damage, no abuse, so this truck is ready to go. Now keep in mind, we do offer very competitive financing. We have nationwide delivery, and nationwide warranty coverage is also available. Look us up at Truck-n-Trailer.com to see our full inventory online, or give us a buzz here at 405-912-5800. And if you found this content helpful, funny, educational, whatever, please give us a like and subscribe to help us grow this channel.